Welcome to Tech Life Insights. In today's world, technology isn't just evolving, it's reshaping how we live, work, and connect. From AI-powered robots to intelligent surgical machines, computerized systems are doing what once seemed impossible. In this video, we'll uncover 5 groundbreaking computerized machines that are changing the world right now. Stick around, number 4 is something straight out of a sci-fi movie. First up is Atlas, the humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics. This advanced robotic machine can walk, run, flip, and even perform parkour. Using real-time computer vision, 3D mapping, and machine learning, Atlas is teaching robots how to navigate the physical world like humans. It's already being used in disaster response simulations, search and rescue operations, and warehouse automation. Next, meet the Da Vinci Surgical System, a computerized surgical robot that's redefining precision in healthcare. Controlled by skilled surgeons, Da Vinci uses robotic arms, high-definition 3D cameras, and real-time computing to perform complex surgeries with microscopic accuracy. It minimizes pain, reduces recovery time, and is used in cardiac, urological, and gynecological procedures worldwide. Tesla isn't just changing how we drive, it's transforming how we work with Tesla Optimus. This autonomous humanoid robot is designed to handle repetitive, dangerous, or boring tasks in factories, homes, and even space. Powered by the same AI chips used in Tesla's self-driving cars, Optimus is an all-in-one blend of machine learning, sensor data, and robotic motion. It's still under development, but Elon Musk believes it could revolutionize labor and even personal assistance. At number 4, we head to the farm with the John Deere Autonomous Tractor, a self-driving agricultural machine that's changing farming forever. Using GPS, AI algorithms, and real-time soil data, this tractor plants, plows, and harvests crops without a human driver. Farmers can control it via smartphone, saving time, labor, and fuel. It's making agriculture smarter, more sustainable, and globally efficient. Finally, meet the Amazon Robotics Fleet, a group of computerized machines that run Amazon's massive fulfillment centers. These robots use AI mapping, barcode scanning, and automated logistics algorithms to move thousands of products in minutes. They've cut delivery times, improved efficiency, and transformed e-commerce logistics. From sorting packages to managing inventory, these computerized systems are the real heroes behind your next-day delivery. And there you have it, 5 computerized machines revolutionizing the world as we speak. From medical miracles to AI-driven agriculture, these machines are more than tools, they're the future. Which one amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love future tech, AI, and smart innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Life Insights for more content that keeps you ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious,